Subsurface equilibrium. Transformation towards synergy in construction of urban systems. The Earth provides the basis for all life. The future of the city is the future of a healthy Earth. Bringing this perspective to the fundamental design of urban patterns will lead to a completely new perspective on the design and maintenance of urban public space. It will be less constructed and anticipate more the performance of the ecological systems of the indigenous natural landscape. These systems are also fundamental to be able to anticipate global trends like climate change and the energy transition, in addition to trends like urbanization and automation. In exploring the future city, these global trends were applied to an urban design process that included healthy soil as an aim. Spatial strategies responding to global trends were tested on 3 typical Dutch urban typologies. Neighbourhoods created in the 90s, 70s and 50s in connection with the highway. This highway zone can be activated through changing patterns of mobility and new technologies to enhance urban resilience, quality and livability on a larger scale. New technologies, for example for wastewater treatment or renewable energy production on the highway using wind and sun, inform new urban designs and programs for development. As a next step, these designs were reconsidered with the intention to introduce concepts of circularity and healthy soil. In the design, all materials coming from the buildings and changes in the public space were reused within the design. 4 approaches for the regeneration of polluted and degraded soils were explored. Cleaning polluted soils with plants through gentle remediation, following the cycle of the natural system with a fertilization maintenance regime, bringing back the original landscape, and referring to the way of life in the Maya cities concept, an approach to sensibly use soil over time and place. In the design of the urban typology of the 1950s, the approach of new soil maintenance regime was put at the centre, with the approaches of gentle remediation and bringing back the original peat landscape. Accepting subsidence and reuniting design and usage with the original landscape gave form to the public space. In the design of the 1970s urban typology, the fertile soil approach was central, with the application of the approaches of food forest and the Maya concept. The human-scale public space is completely covered with a food forest, with natural production, waste and consumption cycles in which humans play a clear role. In the design of the urban typology of the 1990s, the cleaning soil approach is incorporated as part of the Maya approach and focused on designing with wastewater treatment. Car parks are replaced by individual wastewater treatment systems and public space becomes communal green with additional programming. When healthy soil is put first, the design of public spaces and cities will radically change. The choice of plants and materials, maintenance regimes and functionality will follow the principles of integrating soil and ecological processes into urban life. To keep these new public spaces alive and maintained requires a paradigm shift. For this change, involvement of the communities is not only necessary but also beneficial. Healthy soil is a healthy earth, is a healthy community.